As
This is
the
Irfan
PC
Malik from
candidate
Counter
from Mississauga
360.
Malton,
This
as
is
Deepak,
acclamation
that's
of
me,
MPP
to bring
Deepak
most needed
Anand of
change for the
Malton.
determined community we are. I always believed in the grassroots movements, and we started the journey with a very small group. And as the time progressed, more and more people got engaged, and we won one of the most difficult nominations. We were the second biggest membership by number in the whole province of Ontario. And I cannot thank each and every one of you for your unconditional love and support, not before nomination alone, even after post nomination and post election. So thank you so much. Here we are again with another important milestone in our journey, the acclamation for the next election as your PC Party of Ontario candidate from Mississauga Malton. As you know, due to COVID 19, most of us are not able to join in person. But I like to take an opportunity to those who are here who could join in person or Zoom. So thank you so much. And I want to say thank you to the members of the PC Party of Ontario for your trust in me and for your support to represent Mississauga Malton, a community which I love with my heart and soul. During COVID 19, as you know, your government, under the leadership of Premier Doug Ford, whom I call a man with a golden heart, has done an exceptional work to keep Ontarians well informed and safe. The health, safety, and well being of all Ontarians has always been the number one priority for our caucus and your government. Since June 2018 to pre COVID era, we had seen all around progress with strong job growth, Ontario leading the whole country as the economic engine of Canada. And I'm so proud of us as our team. We all enjoy community service. That is why we continue to have a lot of community engagement through town hall meetings, community service days, annual blood donation clinics, STEM program for children, spring and Christmas open house, family paint night, senior wellness program, and our signature Thanksgiving lunch, which is always well attended by all of our community. And thanks to all of you, these are some of the examples how we worked together, had fun together while giving back to the community. And I cannot thank enough those who went well beyond the call of the duty and are here, and most of you are being participant of Remarkable Citizens Awards as well. So a round of applause to each one of you. We all know COVID-19, we have experienced tough time. Thanks to your support, we continued with our Fueling Healthy Minds program, along with Saidham Food Bank and YMCA of GTA, coordinated and led by, of course, Aruna Anand. The program delivered over 40,000. The program delivered over 40,000 meals from March 18th to today to the children at their home with the help of volunteers. And I can't thank you enough again, because most of the volunteers I'm talking about
This is
are nowhere,
Irfan
but
Malik
they are
from
here.
Counter 360.
So thank you,
This
Abhimanyu
is
ji, thank you, Vijay,
acclamation
and thank
meeting
you
of
everyone who was
DP
here, participated
MPP
in that.
Deepak Anand of Malton.
We also had community engagement via virtual bingo and through the backpack programs, laptop for seniors, that was widely loved by the community as well. So again, thank you. During COVID-19, your government swiftly and transformed the delivery model of services through Digital First initiative by modernizing the government to be a leader, not just here in Canada, but in the rest of the world as well. And this is just a beginning, and we need to do more. Right here at home in Mississauga Malton, we have seen the benefits of working together. With the volunteering effort of Anne Barclay, one of the community members, we got the community police station back. Everywhere in Mississauga, except Malton, and I want to share with you, every high school has a sports facility. But when it comes to Malton, we're the only place. We have 2 high schools with no adequate sports facility. We know that Malton is a place for many Canadians as a first home. When they come from across the world, they get down at the airport. But you won't believe this. We don't even have a service in Ontario. When they need the service, they have to go far to access a local basic requirement service, which we can always provide. For too long, Malton has been deprived of these resources and facilities. Along with you, I am determined to keep working with you to ensure that we have the required facilities through our My Clean Malton, My Safe Malton, and My Prosperous Malton initiative that we started last year. As you know, our youth are our future, and youth unemployment is the highest in Malton compared to rest of the Mississauga. We have the highest number of youth. If we have 24% youth, which is the highest in Malton compared to Mississauga, we have 26% unemployment, and I'm talking about pre-COVID numbers. Think what it would be today. Working with organizations like Hammerhead, OCTA, Metrolinx, GTAA, we all need to come together, work together, and I know Surinder Mavi is from Youth for Community, who has an office in Malton. We need to do more so that we can have more opportunity for our youth. I'm not going to take too long. I want to say thank you to you. I want to say thank you to the PC caucus, all the 72 MPPs we have. When we are together as a team, we can go far. And I can't thank you enough. Thank you to the PCPO. Thank you to the headquarters. And thank you to each one of you who are here. And thank you to our riding association. Aruna is giving me this and saying, don't forget the president. So of course, our riding association president, Kulbir Minhas, who's helped here and always with me for all the help you give. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. I'm just gonna say the names. The person who picked me from the airport, I don't know if he still loves it or not. Puneet Sharma, thank you so much. Person who's always, when I needed him, is so busy, but he'll always be here. Peter Pankaj Bajaj. Pankaj, thank you so much for coming. The person who's always before me whenever we do an event, Sushil Kalra, thank you so much for being here. Abhimanyu ji, thank you for your efforts during our Fueling Healthy Minds. And I know we have members on the Zoom call, so I just want to say thank you to them as well. Our co-chair, how would I look who's there? Participants, okay, yeah. So our co-chair of my election, Sean Padda, who just left right now, I don't know if he'll be back or not, Haim Pandey from our community, Monil Kapadia, our CFO, is I don't know if there's any CFO better than him, but the most difficult to get the reimbursement done for me. So thank you, Monil, for keeping me in line, and appreciated that. Arshad Bhai, he's the one who took care of the logistics at the time of nomination. We all remember he brought in an army of people, and we were surprised. Thank you so much, Arshad Bhai, for being with me during this journey. So, Puneet, thank you so much, and you're not alone. You're actually come with the family, Chetna Bhabhi, Abhishek and Aditya. Thank you so much. We're always here as a volunteer. You've packed many, many care packages. Thank you for that. Praveen ji is the person I always talk about. You know, when I say that he was the one who kept me awake so that we can win this nomination. Thank you for your continued support, Praveen ji. We call him Babaji, but he's actually not Babaji. He's very young at heart. His name is Irfan Malik. So thank you, Irfan Bhai, for being here. Appreciated your presence.
Thank you.
On the day of the election, you won't believe it. Somebody woke up way before me, prayed for me, and made a prasad so that we can win together. So my sister Rajwant Chahal, thank you so much. You're always been there. The guy who promised me at the end of this ceremony is going to take me on his shoulders and walk around. Dale Mundi. Thank you, Dale Paji, for your help and support always. Thank you so much. Isa, you've been here in this community from last 25 years. You've been supporting this community. So thank you for not just supporting me, but the community as well. So thank you so much. If there is any brokerage in real estate with more than 2,000 people and still having some hairs left, that is Ajay Bhai. Ajay Bhai, thank you so much for coming and helping us today. The list is long. The person who came today the first and the person who always come after Sushil, but today we beat Sushil. So thank you, Hardeep Paji, for being always, not just being there, but making sure all the arrangement you see is done by him. So if you like it, please big round of applause for Hardeep Paji. Bijay, thank you for NRNA. You're doing an incredible job. You know, when we talk about the amount of work our community does, you are a great example. So thank you so much for being here today. Can't thank you enough. We borrowed somebody from UN and his name is Dr. Anurag Sinha. So Dr. Sinha, thank you so much for coming here. Really appreciate it. I already spoke about Youth for Community. If you remember the time of the nomination, the person who spoke, who actually shouted the most, he felt more I'll shout, the other will be shout out most. That is Surinder Mavi. So thank you, Surinder. You've always been an incredible part. I feel proud to be your older brother. I want to respect the age. Tony, thank you. Thank you. Every time you need any procedural thing, you're always there. So Tony's actually worked for Toronto Police, by the way. Doesn't look just don't look at his sweet face. He actually works for the front line. So thank you for your help during the COVID-19, Tony. Really appreciate it. So before the election, we actually had PTC came to me and we said they wanted an advertisement. They wanted somebody from the riding. And I picked up the phone and I called my neighbor Siridhar, who did an incredible job. I think because of our advertisement, we won the election. So thank you Siridhar, not just staying there for that ad, but staying with me forever. Really appreciate it. And say thank you to Tina as well. Really appreciate it. I guess I was waiting for one more person. I don't see him. That's why I could not talk about it. My co-chair at the time of election, Rakesh Joshi, wherever you are, if you're listening, thank you so much. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for being part of me. And I still remember at the nomination, somebody as soon as you enter on the front registration desk, a strong woman sitting. And that strong woman is still with us. And thank you for that strength, Tabitha. Thank you so much for coming. You have no idea how many times you saved me by calling Aruna when I'm in a big shit. So thank you so much.
This is Irfan Malik from Toronto 3.
Truthfully speaking, I can't
This
thank enough
acclamation
each one of you
meeting
and
of
those who are actually not
Deepak
present
Anand,
here.
MPP Malton.
You're the people, you're the strength. That's why we're able to do this.